If you want a quick win today, then you can strum through the Hollies' cheeky tale of a belly dancer, their stop, stop, stop song with just 3 common beginner guitar chords. We've got D major, G major, and A major. Now if you play your G major or your A major differently to me, then that's no problem. You'll have no problem with this song. Now let's talk about the verse, and the verse is fantastic because it's only 1 chord. Can you believe that? 1 chord. And that chord is D major. Now because it's only 1 chord, we can then maybe focus a little bit on this hand, your strumming hand, and think about a nice little strumming pattern we can do for it. And I want to do this pattern here. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Now try and keep your wrist loose and also don't grip that plectrum too tightly. So let's have a little run through of the verse, and it goes like this. This is a little bit slower than the record. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and see the girl with symbols on her fingers entering through the door. Ruby glistening from her navel, shimmering round the floor. Bells of feet go ting-a-ling-a-linging, going through my head. Sweat is feeling just like a teardrop running from her head. So that's the verse. It's pretty cool and pretty beautiful. Nice and simple, just that 1 chord. Let me just break in here for a second. And if you want more personalized lessons, you can have one-on-one classes online with me on a platform called Till. Check out the link down below. So the verse had 1 chord. Now the chorus, slightly more difficult, has got 2 chords. And what it is 2 bars of G and 2 bars of A. Let's go through this. Now we'll keep it again, keep it slow, keep the same strumming pattern. Here we go, 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop, stop, stop all your dancing, give me time to breathe. Stop, stop, stop all your dancing, or I'll have to leave. And then it goes back to the D major chord. Let's have another run through. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop, stop, stop all your dancing, give me time to breathe. Stop, stop, stop all your chanting, or I'll have to leave. So we've got the verse, all D major. We've got the chorus, G and A major, 2 bars each of those chords before it goes back to the D major chord for a verse. So let's put all this together and play verse and chorus. 1, 2, 3, 4. See the girl with symbols on her fingers entering through the door. Ruby glistening from her navel, shimmering round the floor. Bells of feet go ting-a-ling-a-linging, going through my head. Sweat is falling just like a teardrop running from her head. Stop, stop, stop all the dancing, give me time to breathe. Stop, stop, stop all the dancing, or I'll have to leave. If you enjoyed this and you want more super simple songs like this, I've got a playlist full of them right here. Click on one and I'll see you there. Thanks for joining me today. Happy strumming.